You want potentially ones with higher drawdowns to low drawdown, so you can see which ones suit you. The higher drawdown ones, you want a higher return. The lower drawdown ones, because you're too scared of drawdowns, you're closer to retirement, you're in your 50s and 60s, you'll go for lower returns, like say for 15%. For higher drawdowns, i.e. 20% drawdown, you'll go for 30% returns, or 25% drawdowns, 30% returns. Okay, past does not guarantee the future. I wish it did, because my life would be bloody easy. Oh, there is another option. You can mix and match those two. So let's look at that. This is option one, where you do that. You filter. All the ones are green. 25% stop loss, 12-month holding period. You're more proactive. You're more looking at the data, and you're more in control. You're buying and holding all of these in your own portfolio. This is somebody like Ravi. We give medals out to students who get 100% return ones. My job for my family is basically that. Okay, very simple. That's the pick your own 12 months, 25% holding off an approved filtered list. Simple. All the donkey work done for you, all the data in front of you. But you've got to look through all the database. You've got to look through all 10,000 companies, because there's too many rubbish ones. If you look at a small group like what's in this week's edition of Shares Magazine, that's not going to be very useful. How does it do? Well, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Let me give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. Good. 2024 was good, not because I'm clever, but because the market shot up. It wasn't me. That was what we said in January. By the way, if we looked at our May to May list, it wouldn't have been this good, because May to May, i.e. May 2024 to May 2025, includes this year where Trump tanked it. So it wouldn't have looked as good. I'm just lucky that calendars begin in January and not in May. So please don't think things are guaranteed. Okay. I hope you liked watching that video. The best thing you can do now is follow, like, maybe even save the video, but have a look at the link in the bio. Have a look at alpishpatel.com/links for free investment books, education, mentoring, information about pensions, information about why pensions are not growing as much as they should, what you can do about it, free educational course, a whole bunch of free resources to improve investments and pensions more broadly, wherever you are in the world. The links in the bio can also be found at alpishpatel.com/links as well. Thank you.